going to dive into the fascinating world of AI-powered image manipulation. We will see how you can generate images like this from this and how you can use Controlnet to enhance your web designs. So let's get started. First of all, let's understand what is Controlnet. So Controlnet is a neural network that controls a pre-trained image diffusion model such as Stable Diffusion. Its function is to allow input of a conditioning image which can then be used to manipulate the image generation. This means that with the help of Controlnet, you can simply manipulate the images as you want. To use Controlnet, simply go to this particular URL. The link will be in the description as well. This is the user interface of Controlnet. So what you have to do is that you have to simply drop the image that you want to manipulate here. So I will be using this image, and in this particular area you have to just give the prompt about how you want to manipulate this image. So what I will be doing is that I want aerial view of the forest. Let's run this and see the results. As you can see, there is very long queue. The time required for this nearly around 231 seconds, which is too much. I'll just fast forward this particular process and let's see the results. As you can see, the results are very much impressive. Controlnet has successfully manipulated our simple image into the aerial forest view, but the problem here is that the time it is taking is too much. So for this, what we will be doing is that we will set up the personal environment. To set up it, just go to Files. After that, go to Notebooks. You can simply open this particular notebook in your Colab. To set up your personal environment, the first step is to clone this particular repo. So I'll just fast forward to the next step. You have to get into the directory. Next, you have to install some requirements, and after that you have to simply import this particular app. If we run this notebook, you can see that we have set up the personal environment. The main advantage of this is that there won't be any queue, so the response time will be much lesser as compared to the earlier one. So the UI is same. Here you have to input the image that you want, and after that you have to just try the prompt. For this time, I will give the prompt as aerial view of the ocean, and let's see the results. You can see the response time is much more less. It is only around 25 seconds. In future, it will reduce. So this is the response given by the Controlnet. These are very impressive images that you can use for your web designs or simply for your branding. Now let's try something different. So I will give the prompt of real view of city, and let's see the results. So this is the result. The images are very much clear, tuned up. Also, the results are so much realistic that you cannot differentiate the real and the imaginary picture. Let's try something new, the pav bhaji. So let's see how Controlnet manipulates this particular image according to my prompt. Again, the response time is only 17 seconds. And here, as you can see, Controlnet has produced impressive and amazing results. We cannot imagine our particular image in the pav bhaji, but Controlnet has done it in very nice way. The next prompt I will be giving is Avengers. So it will be really cool if Controlnet can do this particular manipulation. And yes, as expected, the result is awesome. There are two images that are not that perfect, but this particular image is very nice. Currently, I am downloading the images that I am really liking. In the end of this particular video, we will see one showreel of the images that are really impressive. Next prompt, let's try something new. So, aerial view of the flowers. Let's see what Controlnet generates. Really impressive. As you can see, this is the aerial view of the flowers, but I really like this second picture. There is very nice blur effect behind the picture. This one is really nice. So let's try something in a sport. So I want aerial view of the cricket stadium maybe. Let's see the results. These results are not that impressive. Tuning is not that great, but this one image is nice. Let's try for football stadium. Okay, so these results are very nice as compared to the earlier one. So let's try something different and very unique. So I want Taj Mahal view. Let's see. I'm very much curious to see this particular result because there is no relation between this picture and Taj Mahal. But let's see how Controlnet manipulates our image. This is really great. Controlnet is putting my logo in the Taj Mahal's wall designs. The next, let's try about ancient scriptures. Oh, this is very impressive result because there is literally no relation between ancient scriptures and this logo. This particular image blown my mind. So let's try this. So tier 1 city, I want this particular city to be the near of ocean and I want aerial view of this. So let's see the results. So I am trying to give the prompts that are very related to the image that I have given to Controlnet. This result is very nice. So this was about the different prompts that we have used, and this was about the simple tutorial how you can use Controlnet and how you can enhance your image manipulation game using Controlnet. So these are the images that you can use for your web design or simply in your presentations. And with the help of Controlnet, you can improve your user interfaces and the feel good factor for your users. This was about the today's video. Now you can enjoy the showreel of the images that has been generated by the Controlnet.